डिड यू नो एक 500 का पिज्ज़ा आपको 5000 या 50,000 का पड़ सकता है। मान लीजिए आपके पास 500 रुपए हैं एंड यू आर एक्सट्रीमली हंग्री। सो यू हैव टू ऑप्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर 1, अपने लिए बाहर से कुछ भी खाने का ऑर्डर कर दो, पिज्ज़ा या कुछ भी मंगवा लो। ऑप्शन नंबर 2, वो पैसा स्टॉक मार्केट में, म्यूचुअल फंड में या कोई बिजनेस में लगाओ। जब आप पिज्ज़ा ऑर्डर करते हैं तो आप बस 500 रुपए खर्च नहीं कर रहे हैं, यू आर एक्चुअली सैक्रिफाइसिंग द फ्यूचर प्रॉफिट ऑफ दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट। Another example, if you have spent 2 hours watching Instagram reels, तो आपने सिर्फ अपना डेटा खर्च नहीं किया है, यू हैव एक्चुअली सैक्रिफाइस द फ्यूचर मार्क्स जो आपके पढ़ लिख के आ सकते थे। तो इसको ही हम इकोनॉमिक्स की भाषा में अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट कहते हैं। द वैल्यू ऑफ नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शन दैट इज नॉट चोजन और सैक्रिफाइस इज कॉल्ड एज अ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. So in today's lecture, we'll understand what is opportunity cost with the help of examples.
Opportunity cost refers to the value of next best alternative foregone when a choice is made. Since resources such as time, money, effort are limited, choosing one means giving up another. The value of the best option that is not chosen is called as opportunity cost. So what are we able to understand from this particular paragraph? Opportunity cost refers to the next best alternative. जब भी आप कोई चीज़ डिसाइड करो, चॉइस करनी पड़े, जो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन जो आप छोड़ देते हो, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज opportunity cost. As we know, resources are limited. Time, money, effort, land, labor, machinery, हर चीज़ लिमिट में होती है. They are limited, they are finite in nature. So when we choose one option, it is obvious we have to leave the other. So the very next, अगला जो भी बेस्ट ऑप्शन ऑल्टरनेटिव होता, उसको opportunity cost कहा जाता है. For example, you have a piece of land. So this land can be utilized to make some additional parking space for your family, or else you can have some playing area for the children. So choosing one option means sacrificing another. If you make some parking area, it is obviously that you won't be able to make the park for the children. So if parking area is chosen, the very next option which is sacrificed, that is construction of the park, will become the opportunity cost. In the next paragraph, with the example of 1000 rupees, the concept of opportunity cost is being explained. So मान लीजिए किसी के पास 1000 rupees हैं. So the child can either purchase new set of storybook, or the child can purchase a pair of new shoes, or the child can keep the money for the school trip. As resource, that is money, is limited. पैसा सिर्फ आपके पास 1000 रुपये हैं. With that money you can only go for one option. So इस चीज़ में हमें priority set करनी पड़ेगी. Maybe for a child, purchasing shoes is the first priority, purchasing set of books is the second priority, and keeping the money for the school trip is the third priority. So obviously as per our priority list, we will purchase shoes only क्योंकि वो मेरी पहली need है, first demand है. So first thing the child will satisfy is to get the new shoes. So the next option, the very next option which is sacrificed, not chosen, will be considered as the opportunity cost. तो हमें यहाँ पर एक चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो समझने वाली ये है, दैट ऑल द ऑल्टरनेटिव, एवरीथिंग विच इज सैक्रिफाइस विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज द अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. द वेरी नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल टू द पर्सन, वॉट एवर अ पर्सन इज लीविंग, विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज द अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. सो ऑल द ऑल्टरनेटिव सैक्रिफाइस आर नॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, बट द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑप्शन विच इज नॉट चोजन इज कंसिडर्ड एज द अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. तो इस केस में अगर बच्चा शूज़ लेता है, so set of story book जो कि priority number 2 था, it will be considered as the opportunity cost. So the third paragraph says opportunity cost is not always measured in money. It can also be measured in terms of time, satisfaction or benefit. So this is true. Every time we don't have opportunity cost in monetary terms or in the terms of any quantity, it can also be measured in terms of time, satisfaction or benefit. For example, you spend 3 hours watching movie. Okay, 3 hours you watch movie. So if you watch movie for 3 hours, you won't have that much time to study or to do revision. So you are sacrificing the study and revision time to watch the movie. So the opportunity cost will be the study and the revision time which you have sacrificed. Opportunity cost will help the people in rational decision making. We will understand whether whatever we are sacrificing, it is worth the sacrifice or not. So all these things will help us to make the right decision at the right time.